Color IDs will be used to differentiate the parts of the 3D model, so that we can easily select those parts by color when texturing. Select the frame and make a new material. Choose a color, in my case blue. Let's name the material. Now apply the blue material to the mobile. Likewise, select the handle and make a new material. Set a color, for example red, and name it. Now select the lever and set its color to red as well. Select frame and go to edit mode. Select the regulator subobject. Add a new material slot, choose red material and press assign. Select mobile and go to edit mode. Select glass subobject. Add a new material slot. Add a new material and set a green color. Assign it to the glass subobject. Select these two guys, then select this ring, add a new material slot, choose red material and press assign. Select regulator hole object and set its color to blue. Add a new slot, go to edit mode, select middle part, add a new material and let's set its color to black. Press assign. Select the ring object, make a new material and set its color to yellow. Select another ring object plus previous one. Press Ctrl L and link materials. Unhide all. Select all, batch rename and set suffix to _high. Select these two guys, then select the frame and join them. Likewise, select this ring, then mobile and join. Select all, export the high poly lantern in FBX format. Now let's finish with the low poly. Select mobile, then get rid of the checker material and add a new material. Set any color and give it a name. Select all and press Ctrl L. Choose link materials from the drop-down menu. Let's export the low poly model as FBX. At this point, modeling section is over. In the next lesson we will start texturing with Substance Painter. See you there.